The law says no denials just because of your condition. Being fair to all is American tradition.
Our message today is simple. Protect our health care, protect the law.
What do you think is unconstitutional about Obamacare? You're saying the...
Since when did your doctor not being able to help you make a health decision? I had breast cancer, and my doctors told me because I'm on Medicare, if it went through, I'd probably only get a pill. I couldn't have surgery. Congress passed the Constitution. Mammograms. It wasn't even a unanimous vote for Obamacare. Nothing about ultrasound, biopsies, reconstruction.
So you're on Medicare, and you're saying it's not, you don't like it?
I had all my surgery before Medicare because I was afraid it would happen on Medicare. Obamacare took $500 billion out of the Medicare trust fund. That ought to be.
But that was Medicare Part D.
Doesn't make any difference.
Which was a privatized Medicare.
I want to have my doctors tell me what's best for me. If they want government health care, terrific. I'll buy my own health care.
Would you be opposed to a public option then? Would people have a choice to...
I don't know that a public option is a choice. I want the choice is to work with my doctors.
Option means choice. It's by definition.
You know what? I want my doctors. My doctors told me what I've been facing on Medicare. I have friends in Canada facing the same thing. They weren't going to get any kind of help. You go to Canada, you get cancer, and you see what happens.
My roommate's from Canada. He walks in.
You're too young to understand.
Okay, yep, that must be it.
Well, thanks for talking to me.
Okay.
I'm right this way. Let's go forward.
Well, I'm definitely here for a repeal of the health care bill.
Right.
Just opposing all these people. The health care bill gives Mrs. Sebelius all the power to do whatever she wants to on the human services. That's why now she's coming out with rules that were never in the bill. Everybody, Catholics and everybody has to provide contraception, and then they're going to charge each insurance policy $1 a month or something to pay for abortions.
So that's your main concern with Obamacare?
No, that's just the beginning of it.
Okay.
What's coming is if you're over age 72 and you're sick, you get comfort care. You get a pill maybe.
That's your fear, that this is what...
That's what they got to do.
Okay.
That's what they're doing in England. One of the doctors was an intern there, and a neurological surgeon.
Sorry, I don't want you...
Ron Kirby, K-I-R-B-Y, Ron Kirby.
Very good, sir. You look great today.
A woman come in with her bleeding in her brain. I'm not sure what's called.
Right.
But they had to... the doctor started, he was an American doctor doing an internship over there, and he started to clean her up and get her ready for operation. They said no.
This is in England?
This is in England. And they said no, and they let her die there.
Do you know this person's name? I'd just like to look this up. I'm not sure.
Go on Docs for Patient Care.
Okay.
Docs for the number 4.
Okay.
Docs for Patient Care, and they've done a series of 7 things on here. And Doctor. But
I'll look it up.
She says she knows this person. She's one, but it's easy to look up.
Right.
but there's a series of 7 things that they go through on all the
Right. Why they oppose the Obamacare.
And many doctors have talked to me. I was out on the Hill when this was passed. Doctors came in. I had this same sign. Well, I didn't have this.
Right.
I had this side here. Obamacare is all about government control. Okay. And doctors were up on the Hill and they stopped and talked to me. I'm talking to neurological surgeons and stuff. And they say, this is. And so I've been up here a lot. Mm-hmm. Doctors have come up here to explain to them about the bill.
Right.
There's a lot of doctors that are not. They're busy, they don't even. So they're just taking care of their patients. A lot of doctors have decided they got to do something.
Right. But what do you think about the fact that 45,000 Americans each year die because they don't have access to affordable health care? Does that concern you as a religious person?
Sure. But we're doctoring illegals coming in here. 65% of the babies born in Dallas were illegals, and
so you worry about
we're
them.
Giving people. If those people are dying, why aren't they getting into? A doctor just talked to me yesterday at the rally on Saturday and said, we take care of everybody. At Einstein Hospital, he was a doctor, and he said they come in there, we take care of them. We don't have to do a lot of paperwork. We just take care of them, get them done, and out.
But then, sir, I'm not arguing with you. But
now you're going to have all this paperwork. The doctors are going to spend more than half their time just dealing with paperwork.
But you do know that insurance companies, a big part of the money that we pay in premium, it goes to administration costs, where like Medicare has like 3% overhead, which is a lot cheaper.
I don't.
No, I know. I'm not arguing with you. I'm just saying, but it's fine. But the other thing is, if everybody could just go into a hospital and get the care that they need, why do you think then that millions of Americans go bankrupt each year because of a medical illness?
Well, because it's an avenue they can do. You can declare bankruptcy. People declare bankruptcy for all kinds.
Right, but 62% of bankruptcies are related to medical catastrophes.
If you don't take.
I'm just saying. I wanted your opinion on it as somebody who obviously cares about religion and other people. Sure. Wouldn't that be something that you might be concerned about?
Gosh, all this surgery and stuff is tremendous amounts of money, and they don't have insurance.
I know. Well, that's what's happening.
Don't have adequate insurance.
Right.
Probably.
That's what happens.
But the government allows them to declare bankruptcy, and that's the way they get out.
Right. All right.
Some of them continue to pay, even though it's the individual.
Right. It's fine.
Our country right now is in crisis.
We do not need a big bureaucrats in Washington to tell us what we have to buy by merely existing, No, we want freedom, we want liberty. We stand with the founding fathers. These documents are awesome documents. The Declaration of Independence, our freedom, and our liberty.
Let me tell you something, young man. If Obamacare were in place right now, your brother would be dead.
That's right. Oh, you're right, he would.
Yes, he would, and I'm sorry to tell you, because he's not going to get the treatment. You think they're going to spend money on people who have terminal illnesses? My husband